So the question is, an airplane is flying towards a radar station at a constant height of 6 km above the ground. If the distance between the airplane and the radar station is decreasing at a rate of 400 km per hour when s is 10 km, what is the horizontal speed of the plane? So, ato i-plot ang movement sa plane. So, muna siya ang radar station. Then, muna siya ang plane. Then, so, ang movement sa plane towards the radar station kaya ato nang ibutang og S. Then, ang distance from radar station to the plane is X. Then, Y ato, 5. So, dy over dx is equal to 0. Then, ds over dt is 400 kilometers per hour. Then, ang ato pangitaon is derivative of x with respect to time. So, Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared is equal to s squared. Then, x squared plus 30 is equal to 100. Since kay given ang isinatan, since kay ang s is equal to 10 km man. So 10 s squared is equal to 100. So ato ni i-derive ang kaninga equation. So 2 dx over dy plus 2 dy over dx is equal to 2 ds over dt. So 8 dx over dy plus 0 is equal to 10x plus 10x multiplied negative 400. Wala na rin siya x. So our derivative of x with respect to time is equal to negative 500 kilometers per hour. Muna siya ang final answer. Next question is, a light is on the ground 20 meters from a building. A man 2 meter tall walks from the light directly towards the building at 1 meter per second. How fast is the length of his shadow on the building changing when he is 14 meter from the building? So, muna siya ang ato plot. Muna siya ang building. Then muna siya ang light. So the distance of light from the building is equal to 20. And then muna siya ang height. Yung ato pang itaon is ang shadow, which is x. Then ang distance sa man from the building is 14. So x is equal to x over 20 is equal to 2 over y. So cross multiply xy is equal to 40. dx over dy y plus 2 dy over dx is equal to 0. So ang x din nato is equal to 6. Then derivative of dx over dy, derivative of y is 1 plus 1y, atin ka ng y, plus 6 dy over dx is equal to 0. Then, ato sa pangitaon ng value ni y, so y is equal to xy is equal to 40. So, y is equal to 40 minus xy, so 40 over x, 40 over x, y is equal to 40, then ang x is 6, so y is equal to 20 over 3. So, negative 20 over 3 is equal to 6 dy over dx is equal so dy over dx is equal to negative 10 over 9 meter per second. Now, final answer. Next is a conical cup in 4 centimeter across and 6 centimeter deep. Water leaks out of the bottom at the rate of 2 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the water level dropping when the height of the water is 3 centimeters? So the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r squared height. Then pi, so ato sa pangitaon ang value sa r. So r over h is equal to 1/3. R is equal to h over 3. So ang diameter ito 4, radius is 2, height is equal to 6. So 1/3 r, the value of r, substitute h over 3 squared over h. So v is equal to 127 pi h3. So ano na 27 na siya, kaya diretso lang. 3 squared is equal to 9. Then 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So 127 pi r squared. So direkta ni siya nga formula. Derivative of volume with respect to time is equal to pi 27 multiplied 3h squared dh over dt. So dv over dt is equal to negative 2 centimeter cube per s. So ang ato pang itaon is ang dh over dt. So negative 2, given na siya sa question, negative 2 is equal to pi dh over dt. Then dh over dt is equal to negative 2 over pi centimeters per second. Yan siyang answer. Next question. A person 2 meter tall walks towards a lamp post on level ground at a rate of 0.5 meters per second. The lamp on the post is 5 meter high. How fast is the length of the person shadow decreasing when a person in 3 meters from the post? So, ano yung shape that? So the height, ang height is 5. Then, ang distance niya from the post is 2. Then, siyang x. Then, siyang y. the distance from the post. So, ang ato pangitaon is ang dx over dt. So, meters per second. Then the given na ang dy over dt, which is negative 85 meters per second. So, 2 over 5 is equal to x plus y. Then 2x plus 2y is equal to 5x. 2y is equal to 3x. So we transpose 2x or combine like terms, makakam up ka nga equation. So dy over dx over dt is equal to 2, given na ang dy over dt, which is negative 0.5 meters per second, and dx. So our final answer would be negative 1/3 meters per second. Next is, air is escaping from a spherical balloon at the rate of 2 centimeter cube per minute. How fast is the surface area shrinking when the radius is 1 centimeter? Volume is 4/3 pi r squared and surface area is 4 pi r squared, where V is the volume and S is the surface area. R is the radius. So the volume of sphere, so 4/3 pi r cube, then given ang d over dt, which is negative 2 centimeter cube per minute. Ato pangitaan is the derivative of surface area with respect to time, and the given radius is 1. The derivative of volume over dt is equal to 4/3 pi is equal to 3r squared dr over dt. So dv over dt is equal to negative 2 4 pi 1 squared dr over dt. dr over dt is equal to negative 1 to 5. Then the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. So ds over dt, derivative of surface area with respect to time, is equal to 4 pi multiplied by 2r dx over dt. Then dx over dt is equal to 4 pi, then dx over dt is equal to 1. Then the radius, the dr over dt is negative 1 over 2 pi. So our final answer would be negative 4 centimeters per minute. Next is, a funnel in the shape of an inverted cone is 30 centimeter deep and has a diameter across the top of 20 centimeter. Liquid is flowing out of the funnel at the rate of 12 centimeters cubed per second. At what rate is the height of the liquid decreasing at the instant when the liquid in the funnel is 20 centimeter deep. So the volume is volume 1/3 pi r squared h. So the given diameter is 20, radius is 10, and height is 30. So r over h is equal to 1/3, and 3r is equal to h, then r is equal to h over 2. Then the derivative of v with respect to time is 1.2, negative 1.2 centimeter per second. Then ato pagitahon is ang dh over dt, whereas dh is equal to 20. So is equal to 1/3 pi, then substitute the r, so h over 3, muna siya, h over 3 squared height. So v is equal to pi over 3 h 3 over 4. And the derivative of volume with respect to time is pi h squared over 4 dh over dt. So negative 1.2 given na siya 1.2 cm. Hindi siya 1.2, 12 din siya. Negative 12 is equal to pi, h is 20 squared, 20 squared over 4 dh over dt. So negative 12 multiplied negative 12 4 multiplied over 40 over pi is equal to dh over dt. So dh over dt is equal to negative 27 over 100 over pi centimeter per second. Next is find the rate of change of the area A of a circle with respect to its circumference. So the area of the circle is pi r squared. A is equal to pi, then c. The area of the circumference is 2 pi r, then c over 2 pi, and that will be the formula in finding the radius. So substitute the value of radius into c 2 pi squared. So area is equal to c squared over 4 pi. Squared over 4 pi. So derivative of area with respect to the circumference is 2c 4 pi, then derivative of c with respect to the circumference. The final answer would be c is equal to 2 pi units. That would be the answer. A boat is being pulled into a dock by attached to it and passing through a pulley on the dock positioned 6 meters higher than the boat. If the rope is being pulled in the rate at 3 meters per second, How fast is the boat approaching the dock when it is 8 meters from the dock? So, ito siya i-plot. So, sabi ko yung dock. Then, mo siya ang port. Height would be y, 6. Then, the distance from the port to the dock is 3. Represent as x, then this will be z. So, Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared is equal to z squared. Then, z is equal to 10. Our dx over dt, which was given, we will be finding out, and dy over dt, 0, and dz over dt equal to negative 3 meters per second. So, 2 dx over dy plus 2 dy over dx is equal to 2 dz over dt and dt. So, 8 dx over dt plus 10 negative 3 dx over dt is equal to negative 30 Next is, a man 6 feet tall walks at the rate of 5 feet per second toward a street light that is 16 feet above the ground. A. At what rate is the tip of his shadows moving? B. At what rate is the length of his shadow changing when he is 10 feet from the base of the light? So, ito siya A-plot. So, the height is 10. Then the distance from here to here is z. Then here to here, y. Then the overall distance will be x. Then this will be. So first, we must find the tip of the shadow decreasing the length of the shadow. So by is equal to 16y plus z. So 6y plus dz is equal to 16y. So 6z is equal to 10y. 6 dz over dt is equal to 10 dy over dt. So negative 30 over 10 is equal to dy over dt, and the final answer would be negative dy over dt is equal to negative 3 feet per second. So this would be the answer for letter B. Now let us find the letter A. So the letter A is the tip of the shadow. So 6 over y is equal to 16 over x. Then 6x is equal to 16y. Then 6 dx over dt is equal to 16 dy over dt. dx over dt is equal to 8 over 3, then dy over dt is 3 feet, so negative 3, negative 3. So the answer would be dx over dt is negative 8 over 3 feet per second. That would be the answer for the rate. Next is a water tank has the shape of an inverted right circular cone with radius at the top 1.5 meters and depth 12 meters. Water is flowing into the tank at a rate of 2 cubic meters per minute. How fast is the depth of water in the tank increasing at the instant when the depth is 8 meters? So, the formula for the volume of circular cone is pi third r squared height. Then v is pi over third. Then let us first get the value of r. So per given radius is equal to 15. R is equal to 15 and radius and height is equal to 12. So R over H is equal to 5 over 4. 4 is equal to 5H. R is equal to 5 over 4H. Then substitute the value of R, 5 over 4 squared H. Then the derivative of the volume with respect to time is pi 3, 25, 10, 16 I mean. 16 is equal to 3H squared dH over dt. So our dV over dt is equal to 2 dV over dt. It was given in a question. 2 meter cube per minute. Then 2 pi 25 over 16 over 8 squared dH over dt. So the final answer of the problem is dH over dt is equal to 1 over 507 meter per second.